Welcome back to Instable's, everyone. So we had a major breakout in the Instable's room today with SOPA. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today, what we're looking for to have a continuation, what exact indicators are going to give us that confirmation, and I do have good news. I'm going to be a father. I just found out that my wife is pregnant. I'm excited. I can't wait to be a dad. Honestly, I'm excited. I don't even know what to think. I'm excited. So again, subscribe if you guys want to see more breakouts throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over exactly how SOPA played out today, and I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for to have a continuation. If you guys can like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it more than you can imagine. So as you guys can see, again, we were halted in the Instable's room today at $11.28, looking for this continuation on momentum. And as you guys can see here on the MACD, again, this is our buy pressure, giving us this initial spike and halts at $11.28 on this buy pressure, looking for an increase in momentum. And as you guys can see, we still had our EMA lines crossed above here, showing us that we still could continue, not quite crossing down yet to give us that bearish momentum. And sure enough, we did get this increase in buy pressure, showing us this increase in momentum. And we were looking to see if we can continue, as we still had these EMA lines above here, not quite crossing down. And as you guys can see, we had this major spike on buy pressure, giving us this major spike all the way up to $18.43. And we mentioned exactly at this point in time that this was very high risk to be chasing. And the reason why we mentioned that is because you guys can see here, we did have this strong decrease in buy pressure. And we also had these EMA lines crossing down here, showing us that we did have that decrease in momentum, very high risk at that point in time after this major spike. Now, as you guys can see, just as we did cross down on those EMA lines, we had that decrease in momentum, dropping below the 200-moving average, jumping back over the 200-moving average, getting a double top here. And the reason why we had a double top here, as you guys can see here on the SPY, we had a spike exactly on the market, exactly at that point in time, giving us this major spike. And SOPA was actually moving with the market. So again, SOPA, we did not alert at that point in time. We got a double top here, and sure enough, did not alert this one. So that way we did not get stuck in this play. And another way to indicate this was not only through the market, as you guys can see, we had this increase in sell pressure, looking for an increase in buy pressure, nothing close to what we saw earlier for this increase in momentum. So to get more momentum here on SOPA, to have a continuation, I would like to see if we can break above our momentum that we had today and break above our $20 psychological resistance, as we did have a double top. So we want to make sure we do clear past that psychological resistance at $20. Again, SOPA, an amazing run that we had today. Also did mention them at about $5.50 a couple days ago in pre-market. So as far as a continuation, we are looking to see if we can bounce off of this 50-moving average going to extended hours to have a continuation, bounce back over the 20, and also get this increase in buy pressure here to get this increase in momentum. Again, these EMA lines are crossing down here, going into extended hours, so we're not exactly expecting a continuation. But again, if we do break over $20 and we do break above our momentum that we had today on this spike, that is exactly what I'll be looking for to have confirmation on more momentum here with SOPA. So an amazing run that we had in the Instable's room with SOPA. I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart real quick so you guys can see what exactly gave us that room to run. As you guys can see previously on SOPA, a major spike to the downside, looking to see if we can continue, and sure enough, had this continuation today on the 4-hour chart, looking for a continuation. And again, an amazing breakout that we had in the Instable's room within a 2-day period, over 300% on the breakout, but today over 50% on that breakout. So again, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like that. Again, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, you guys know I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us refine it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.